I really like this portfolio right here. I put together a nice portfolio showing all of the different videos that I've created for my content services business, and this is cool and all. However, it does cost money, and it is actually using testimonial.to, which is really cool. However, if you don't want to go through all of this work, and instead you want a free portfolio page, because this is awesome, but I also need a website, right? Like I need to make a website. I need to have a hosted website, put in all of these different things in there really quickly. What I can do instead is utilizing testimonial.to, I can grab my own client wall of love, and I actually can go to pages and press portfolio. And you'll see right here, that I already have one, and I can edit the portfolio page. So I have set it up a little bit here, and I'm gonna start from scratch to show you how to make it that much better. Because this is a great way to showcase the different things that the people you work with from a client side have said, but I can actually make another one with all these social media videos that I have right here, and I can make a portfolio page. And if I press edit portfolio, you can see at the top, I can put it in about me section, and I can actually generate it with AI. So I'm gonna go to Rise Productive, Content Services, which is this landing page. And I could have literally just this description written and then a description about me. So I'm just gonna press generate based off this. It'll take a couple seconds, but after it's done, what essentially is gonna happen is we're gonna have a starting and a building block for a real nice page that people can check out. All right, now it's given me a breakdown of who I am. Let's just say founder or content creator is probably more accurate. And I can add an image of myself. Too many pictures of me on the internet to count, to be honest. Just grab this logo from my YouTube channel. It's probably the best option. Paste it in there. Or I can put an actual uploaded file here too. All right, so we got some URLs. Let's find my LinkedIn URL. And as you can see, it actually found my Twitter, which is pretty cool. But now if I click on this, when I'm in the actual page, it'll bring me to my LinkedIn and my X account. All right, so next what we have is reviews. So what are people saying? We can change this to my portfolio. Instead, since it's actually just social media posts, it's gonna have my portfolio, and we can adjust it to be different size and style wise. We can do something like this. We can adjust the branding. I can just press select, and this is gonna be a vertical showcase of my portfolio. I can change it to masonry fixed. I can change any of the style points here that I want. Dark theme could be nice, hide the date. Randomize the order on page refresh is my favorite. Okay, so this is my portfolio, right? Maybe let's limit it to less probably. I only want 10 on the initial load. And if I want to adjust, maybe I can change the card width to large. That'd be good. Okay, cool. So we got like 2, 2, 2, 2, perfect. Maybe even one more time. I'm gonna change it to large and 6, so it only has 3 rows. And you can see there's a live preview option before you get in there, but perfect. Look, my portfolio. We got, ooh, this is nice. I get to see all this stuff. Nice, nice. Okay, we're getting there. Now, what about a call to action? So after they see the portfolio, we can add this at the bottom, and it says, let's work together. Scheduling method can be through Calendly or another product. So I can use a custom embed here. I use a tool called Morgan for my booking link. So as you can see, it worked with pretty much anything. So this is my booking page in Morgan. I can change the size of the height if I want. Make it 1,000 instead of 700 as the default was. Awesome. And it says, let's work together. And if I want to do just one link, by the way, I could also just do this discovery call link, which I think is probably the best for this option. So now let's press view as I've added all this. Look at this. Ooh, it's got my portfolio. You can check it out in theater mode. Look at this post I made with relay. Very nice, very nice. I like this. Okay, I can check out some other stuff here. Very cool, nice. And then if I want to book a discovery call with me, I absolutely can. Or somebody else would probably want to book a call with me, but as you can see, this is very basic. It shows more about me. I can expound as much as I want on the founder. And then this is a portfolio of actual videos. And I could have used different references to testimonials, but this is also great too, because it's a real portfolio, not just like testimonials, which is obviously what our product's for, but sometimes you want a free portfolio website too. Make sure to try out testimonial.to today to check out your own portfolio website that you can make. We have a myriad of different plans to choose from, with a starter plan that's free forever, where you get up to 2 video testimonials and 10 text testimonials and unlimited imports from other platforms. And then a couple of different paid plans, which you can get the premium plan that has the portfolio page that's fast and easy to set up, and also fast to interact with. I think the speed on a site like this is obviously going to be way quicker than your average website, and it has links out to your socials too. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate each and every one of you, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.